Hey folks, we're at Noodle's Italian restaurant, and here we're gonna have a guest star today, and here he is. That's Hollywood. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have lots of fancy breads. So I got a full-size pizza cut up into little tiny slices, so I'm gonna try one of the little tiny slices. Oh, man, it's hot. Fresh out of the oven. That's hot. Really good. There's enough cheese in that one tiny bite to like fill up my mouth with cheese. So that is a good amount of cheese. The pepperonis are like under the cheese, so you don't know when you're gonna bite into a pepperoni, and you can't pick them out. But I don't pick them out because I'm a man. It's really good. I give it 12 out of 13 because I just go out of the 10 scale because I'm a man.
Well, I got a full-size pasta bowl, spaghetti, and 3 meatballs. Yeah, 3 meatballs. And these are what the meatballs look like, pasta in there. And try this big giant meatball right here. That's so good. And try a bit of spaghetti. Yeah, real good. Fresh, hot, very hot, just like Sam. And very good. Probably gonna have to give it a kind of like Sam, 12 out of 13, 9 out of 10, 12 out of 13. I don't know.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. We're at an Italian restaurant, Noodles. And today, I'm gonna eat noodles. Anyway, I got some pasta. And today, I'm gonna be fancy. And I'm gonna get a couple of noodles. Swirl it around. Very cheesy. There's a lot of noodles. It's a little bit spicy, and I like that about this. Good. 9. No, not 9. 89 out of 90 chicken nuggets.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.